Hi everyone, I am Dr. Pavitra. This video is about how to overcome from this pandemic situation and how we can prevent from this deadly virus corona. Nowadays we are hearing the word corona everywhere and this corona is ruling our world. We are also afraid to face the situation, but unfortunately the foremost reason for affecting corona is fear. Fear is mainly come from mind. The mind will control our body and thoughts. The mind is nothing but manas. The thoughts, the continuous thoughts, which create as a stress. The stress is the main cause of disease. The thoughts will secrete many hormones. The positive thoughts will secrete happy hormones like serotonin, and the same way, the negative thoughts will secrete some hormone which is affecting our body. It may cause diseases or it may cause mental pressure. So, to avoid these kind of disease or fear and balancing our body through yoga, the first practice is kriyas, cleansing the body, cleansing the nostrils. We all know that mucus will accumulate in many spaces of our body. In face, the edge of the eyebrows we called as sinus areas. The mucus will accumulated in these areas. So, should clear up that we are practicing jalanating with a jalanative pot and a warm salt water. It is a easy cleansing process which we can remove our mucus from the sinus areas and clear up the airways. Take up a Jalaneti pot, fill salt warm water and keep it on edge of the nostrils. Open your mouth and breathe through your mouth, not through your nostrils, and slowly tilt your head and pour water. The water will come out to the other nostril through other nostrils, and same practice is done in other nostril. It is a easy process to cleanse our nostrils. It improves the ability of your respiratory system and it clean your mucus part from your sinus areas. It will decrease your allergies and it has no side effects. By in the same way, you can practice gargling using salt water for 2 or 3 times to cleanse your throat area. Next is asanas. First asana is Tadasana. It is a standing yoga asana. It will stretches your lung upwards. Slowly stand on your mat, legs joining. Slowly inhale and raise your hands up. Join your fingers. Slowly exhale and turn it up. And inhale and raise your heel. Balance on your toes. Stand in normal breathing for 2 or 3 seconds and slowly release. Practice it for 5 or 6 times with breathing. Concentrate your breathing at the same way. Same practice in Tadasana is Trayaka Tadasana. It means stretching towards right and left. It is mainly useful for stretching your lung muscles. Tadasana is useful for increasing the lung capacity and it strengthen the muscles. By practicing Trayaka Tadasana, it expands the chest and improves your breathing pattern. So, same way, inhale and take it up and crisscross your fingers. Slowly exhale and bend towards sidewards. Slowly inhale and come up. Exhale and go to the other side. Practice for 5 or 6 times in a day. Next practice is Ardha Chakrasana. Join your legs. Keep it on your hands on your hip region. Slowly inhale and goes up. Your shoulders should be stretched. Your lungs should be stretched. Feel that stretchness and inhale, concentrate on your breath. Slowly exhale and come up. Relax your hands. Practice it for 6 or 7 times. It is also improve your lung capacity and helps for digestion, etc. Next practice is Trikonasana. Legs apart. Slowly turn your right toes, right ankle towards right side and left ankle slightly towards right side. Slowly inhale and raise your hands up and exhale, bend towards sidewards. Head should be upwards, seeing the middle finger of the other hand. Inhale and exhale. Concentrate on your breathing. It helps in clear up the passage. You are in this position. It will clear the cavity and it expands the chest. It improves your breathing level. Next is Ardha Matsyendrasana. It is a sitting asana which sitting Tadasana. Bend your right leg. Keep it on your opposite buttock and take your right leg. Keep it on your opposite knee, near knee. Slowly balance with your hand. Twist your head towards back. This will clear up your passage. While twisting, your lung will also twist and contract. While relaxing, the lung also relax. So it will improve our breathing pattern. Next is Bhujangasana. It is a prone position asana. Lie down in a prone and slowly, with your help of your palm, slowly raise up your chest and head. Inhale and exhale in this position. Concentrate on your breathing pattern. This will help your chest expansion. The lung also will expand and the alveolar. It will help you in a good way. Next is pranayama. It's a breathing exercise which will help to clear up the passage and strengthens the lung muscles and balance the prana level in our body. First practice is Nadi Shodhana. Nadi Shodhana is inhale through the left nostrils and exhale through the right, and slowly inhale through the right nostrils and exhale through the left. This is one round. This is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Practice it for 5 to 6 times. Next is Brahmari. The Brahmari Pranayama, which helps you in strengthen the lung muscles and improve your immunity level and improve your digestive system. Slowly inhale while exhaling, making honey bee sound like Continue this practice for 5 to 6 times, and after this close your eyes and feel that vibration throughout the body. Next is mudras, which will help uh, to increase your energy level more. First mudra is prana mudra. It purifies your body and it will helps in increasing the immunity level, and it helps in difficulty in breathing. It clear up the passage. It helpful in the asthma patients. It relieves depression and anxiety. How to practice is bend your little finger and ring finger, connect with the thumb finger, and your middle finger and index finger should be straight. Practice with breathing for 5 to 6 times and relax. Next is Linga Mudra. It eliminates toxins from our body. It boosts up the immunity. It strengthens the mind and calm down the mind. Crisscross your fingers and your right thumb finger should be up. Rest all fingers should be in crisscross. And give gentle press. Maintain for 3 to 5 counts of breathing exercise. Next is Adi Mudra. Keep your thumb finger inside and close the all fingers. Give a gentle press and inhale and exhale for 5 to 6 times. This will help to increase the capacity of lungs and increase the flow of oxygen level, increase the mental activities. Close your eyes and meditate for a while. Omkara chanting. for 5 to 6 minutes. Slowly we move upon some naturopathy treatments to relieve your congestion of nose and mucus, accumulation of the mucus. Facial steam is better to take to remove the mucus or congestion part in nose and your sinus areas. Facial steam will be helpful for you. In a day you can take twice for 2 to 3 minutes. Next is sun bath. It is the main therapy to reduce your stress and increase your immunity. It reduces your depression by increasing your serotonin level, and it will give calming effect throughout the day. It regulates the cardiac rhythm well. At sunbath will increase vitamin D in your body that absorbs calcium, and it boosts up immunity. So practice in early morning before 8 o'clock for 20 minutes. Finally, I'm concluding my section. Thank you all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.